Okay, by starting our journey, I want to show you the type of thread I'm going to use and the hook. The hook is 1.25 in millimeters. It's very tiny. I like to do crochet with small intricate details. It looks really, really delicate and beautiful. You can choose any type you prefer, which is easier for you to do, especially for the beginners. You might be interested in 2 millimeters or 3 millimeters. And the thread I chose is gonna be of beige color. We're starting with that color. I was thinking to make the different color only in the corners and the trimming part. So let's see how it's gonna look like. Might be changing my ideas during the process. The first round is very simple. Here you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops to make the circle, but I prefer the magic ring. And then we're going to do single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 single crochet around the magic ring. Let's do it. My magic ring is done. I prefer to make it smaller in the beginning because I used very tight stitches. So we need to make 16 single crochet around it. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can go smaller. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And the slip stitch into the first single crochet. Because I have very, very tiny threads, please pay attention. There is the raising loop here, almost invisible. The slip stitch goes into the first single crochet here. This way.